Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what you have: Android or iOS, Keepsafe version, and credentials. Once done, connect the original device to a PC and enable USB debugging or sign into iCloud on the desktop. Make a full device backup or image first. This preserves current data and prevents overwrites. You do this now because direct app file access often gets blocked later. Transition to the extraction phase only after confirming backups completed successfully, and you have at least 2 GB free on the PC. Next, extract the app sandbox. On Android, run ADB with root or backup permissions to pull /data/data/com. Help safe and shared prefs. This yields databases and image blobs. On iOS, create an encrypted iTunes backup or use a trusted extractor to dump the app container. Once extracted, convert or copy. DB, bin, and image cache files to your PC, keeping original timestamps. You do this because Keepsafe stores thumbnails and encrypted files separately. The raw files are required for decryption and reconstruction in the final step. Finally, decrypt and restore. Use trusted Keepsafe decryption tools or community scripts to map the app keys from the extracted files, then decrypt. Bin or cache images into standard JPG/PNG. Once decrypted, reconstruct folder structure and verify image integrity. Then, import restored files back onto the device or upload to your cloud account. If decryption fails, make sure your extracted key material matches the app version and backup. When in doubt, revert to the original image and repeat extraction with exact version parity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.